The breaking news is that Shotcity has a new gun. Welcome to Shotcity, baby! Alright guys, Shotcity here. We've got some really cool guns out. So these are my Bad Boys II Glock 17s. I've named them that because of the two-tone color. If you remember, Will Smith had those two-tone Glock 17s in Bad Boys 2. I think those were like Gen 3s or something. And I just love that movie so much, so I was like, I gotta have two. So I got these kind of customized out with the exact same stuff on them. So these night sights are the exact same. These are Trijicon night sights, and then I've got Timney alpha triggers in these as well. If you'll see like that red trigger in there, so those are Timney alpha triggers. I've never shot the Timney alpha trigger, so I definitely want to try that out with these guns. So we're going to do that today. So let's get started. I'm going to put some rounds on paper first, just to kind of get a feel for the trigger. Alright, that's pretty good. Let's walk up and see what that looks like. Not too bad. And then we'll come back and take care of some of these targets. So let's get to it. This is nice. All right, so that's one mag for that one. Let's grab the other one. All right, we're gonna rack this one. Put some rounds on paper with this one as well. Alright, let's see where those went. I threw one right here, and the other ones were here. Should have reset these targets, but I'll just deal with this dueling tree. Alright, that's empty. I'm going to reset these targets and give it one more go with this, but so far, man, these triggers are something else. Like, a lot nicer than that Glock enhanced trigger. So you pull a little bit, you get an immediate wall, a little bit more creep, and a nice break. Pretty clean. Kind of feels like hitting a drum almost, but really nice clean break. So let's get these targets set back up and then we'll come back out. All right, we've got the targets reset. I'm just going to grab the first one that I shot. There is a slight difference with these guns actually that I forgot to mention. So this one has the full metal guide rod and the other one has the plastic guide rod. I don't think that really makes a difference, but full transparency, right? Okay, so I'm going to shoot the one with the full metal guide rod. Gonna take some more shots on paper. All right, so my phone camera closed out a little early, but here's the 3 shots. 1, 2, I had a little flyer right there. It's fine, whatever. So let's get to the targets over here. All right. is empty. I'm not even gonna mag in my pocket. Here it is. I always thought that 9 mil was going to be strong enough to like knock these dueling trees around. I guess not. All right, and that's it. There you have it. So overall, these are really nice. Kind of just got these kind of for like the nostalgia and like you know, like movie presents that they had. But overall, really nice shooters. Love that Timney trigger. I love these night sights. I usually shoot Ameriglow night sights anyway, so these are very similar to those. So I love these. Love this gun. Very nice. So guys, thanks for watching Shot City, and we'll see you in the next one.